Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can import a snapshot in GoHighLevel. First, you want to log in into your GoHighLevel agency account using your browser. Now, you want to make sure you are logged in the correct account. Now, if you want to import a snapshot, you will need a snapshot link that was shared with you. Now, open the shared link in the new browser. Then you can either click the link directly or copy and paste it into your browser search bar. Now, just make sure you are logged into your GoHighLevel in the same browser. Now, once the page loads, you will eventually see the Import Snapshot option. You want to click Import Snapshot, and you will be asked to choose a name for the account. You can now use the default name or enter a custom name if you prefer. Now, once everything looks correct, you want to click on Yes, and then Import Now. Now, after that, you want to open the sub-account where you want to use the snapshot. Go to the Manage Client section and find the account or client that you would like to use. You can also check your imported snapshot section to confirm that your snapshot has been imported successfully. Now, if you need to share a snapshot with someone else, you want to go to My Snapshots and then find the snapshot that you want to share. Click the three dots menu and select Share Snapshot. Now, from there, you can choose different sharing options such as permanent link, one-time share link, email share link, agency restricted link, sub-account link, or marketplace share link. And that's how you do it.